Esdras, the restoration of the order. The significance at that time. 1 Esdras serves as a critical historical record of the transition from the Babylonian captivity back to the restoration of the temple in Jerusalem. At the time of its writing, its primary significance was the validation of the righteous lineage and the divine decree. It chronicles the faithfulness of King Josiah, the devastation of the exile, and the miraculous intervention of King Cyrus of Persia, who was moved by the Spirit to return the sacred vessels to the tribe. It was the legal brief that proved the temple was not just a building, but a divinely mandated center for the law. One of its most famous inclusions is the debate of the three guardsmen, where the young Zerubbabel wins a contest of wisdom by proving that truth is great and stronger than all things. This gave the people the moral and legal authority to rebuild amidst fierce opposition. What it means to us now. For the modern walker, 1 Esdras is the blueprint for reclaiming the sanctuary. It represents the moment when the system of the ridiculous, Babylon, is forced to release the stolen heritage of the people. It teaches us that the restoration of our spiritual and physical land is not done by human force alone, but through a series of legal decrees and a commitment to the truth, just as the people had to verify their genealogies before they could serve in the temple. We are currently verifying our spiritual records to ensure we are standing on a legitimate foundation. It is a book of encouragement for those who feel they are living in a foreign land, proving that the way home is always through the restoration of the law and the clearing of the record. The main takeaways: the power of truth. The central theme is that while wine is strong, the king is stronger, and women are stronger still. Truth, the word, is the ultimate sovereign that settles all records and outlasts all earthly kingdoms. Restoration of the vessels. The return of the gold and silver vessels signifies the return of our high-frequency gifts and spiritual authority that were once confiscated by the density of the world. Persistence amidst opposition. The reconstruction was constantly halted by local enemies, but because the decree was written in the high court, the work could not be stopped. This reminds us that when our mission is backed by the divine mandate, earthly interference is temporary. The king's decree, 1 Esdras, highlights that even the rulers of the world can be moved to serve the sanctuary when the walker stands in their true identity. Purity of the record. Great care was taken to list those who returned, teaching us that every walker has a specific place and order in the new creation. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the links in the comments for 100% free resources.